Good morning, everyone. So let us wait for a couple of minutes. Exactly, we'll start at 8:47. Once again, very good morning to everyone. So let us start the our daily webinar of what market is going to be today and what happened yesterday. So before going to, I'm going to start. So this is our disclaimer. So whatever I'm going to discuss about Nifty or any sectors or any stocks, please consider it as a education purpose only. Do not consider it as a recommendation or a buy or sell. So that's regarding our disclaimer. So let us move on to what happened yesterday. So yesterday it was a very bad day for US market as well as for today for India. So like what happened is US market was the biggest single day loss after June 2020. So in June, if you remember 2020, it was a COVID fall which was happened, but after that, yesterday, it has happened in US market. Uh, Dow index fell more than 4%, Nasdaq 4%. So overall, due to lack of growth fears and rising inflation rate, disappointing earnings are hurting the sentiments. So as of now, the trade is going to be all major trades going to be a geopolitical news. So Brent crude at trading at 109 per barrel. Dollar index at record new high. It made a new high yesterday. So it's currently trading at $103.70. And we got a few news from the local market, like Dr. Reddy got USFDA note for generic of Kuan, which is basically given for a blood cancer. And Aurobindo Pharma gets USFDA note for nicotine Palarix. This is basically for quitting of smoking. Okay. And Interglobe Aviation, yesterday they appointed Peter Elbers as a chief executive officer. So, uh, and also if you observe the last yesterday, we got three earnings from, especially from the major Nifty stocks like ITC, Pidilite, and LIC. So Pidilite earnings were down, net profit were down by 17% to INR 254 crore, and revenue is marginally up at around 12% YOY. And if you observe the EBITDA margin also, it has reduced by 4% basis point, 4%. So the earnings were missed the street estimation. So we might witness sharp fall in Pidilite stocks. And ITC has reported a very good numbers, largely in line with street estimates. It has reported 12% around YOY jump in net profit and revenue growth of 17%. And LIC also it has delivered a very good number, which is largely in line with the state estimates. It has reported 174% surge in net profit in March and for the quarter of March, and revenue of 6.3%. But the loan book of LIC Housing Finance were marginally lower than the previous last year. So that is a bit concern over there. Overall, the LIC housing is earnings were good, but only part was loan book. And today there is going to be a earnings from Dr. Reddy, Godrej CP, Concor, HPCL, and Ashok Leyland. So these are the key earnings which is going to be happen today. And it also what I have said earlier, what we have seen like in the US market. So it has impacted overall Asian market, South Asia market, and even European market, which is futures are trading at very low. So if you observe here, Nasdaq 4%, Dow 3%, which has happened yesterday. And if you see the Asia market, so almost it's trading around 1.5 to 3% range. So it is an indicator for Nifty that our market also might open around 2% negative. So let us move on to the market. So how the markets are placed. So this is the Nifty. One second. So this is a Nifty 50 chart on a daily time frame chart. So yesterday only we have moved the market into rally attempt. Since it has managed to hold above this low and traded continuously 3 days in a row. So yesterday we have moved the market into rally attempt. If you see here, this is a gap down area. So this is the one where Nifty might take a resistance and once again move back into this consolidation mode. So at current juncture, what we can take from the global market is it might open around 200 to around 200 to 250 points of gap down opening, and it might open around 16,950 or something. So sorry, 15,950. So in the intraday point of view, if that low has been 15,950 has broken this area, 16,000 or 15,950 has broken, once again it might retest this previous low, that is 15,740 range. So that is about Nifty. Also, if you observe the Bank Nifty, it is a similar kind of what Nifty is trading. So this is once again this gap down area. So once again Nifty Bank has been trading at this level. So even this Bank Nifty also might open gap down and might retest its previous low, that is around 30. We can say 33,000 level. So this is what we are expecting. So it has to hold this level, or else once again another selling pressure might come, which might move towards another 1,500 points in Bank Nifty. So what option data are saying? So similarly, option data are saying the same. Like 16,500, 16,700 was a might take a resistance and key support around 16,000. So today it might break below that, and the next support is around 15,800 levels. So that is around option data for Nifty. And Bank Nifty also saying around 33,000 is a major support level. The next first major support is a 34,000, and another is 33,000. So that the Bank Nifty also saying very good support around 33,000 level. The major support level is placed around that. So before going to today's trading session, what we can advise is so don't go long in this current juncture. Let the market takes whatever the correction has to be taken place. It has to be done properly. Then only once the Q has been taken from the positive, then only we can trade. So till then, don't go with the long position. Don't try to jump all the money into the market. So these are the market where cash in hand is very good at current moment. So that's it from our side. Thank you all.